Hello guys and welcome back. So I know it's been a long time, so let's get back. So here's a little update on the Testarossa. A lot of stuff have happened and changed here in the farm here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. We're still working on the Testarossa. It's 2022. We left the car while we worked on other projects, but we're back at it. Check out the new toy, and I'll get back and keep on uploading more videos. So I hope you all safe and peaceful Ukraine. So we have here new toy. You're supposed to wipe your feet. Yeah. Here we have the Ferrari here. You press that button right here to put it in reverse. See a little camera. Go back. To put it forward. You see this area right here? You just press it with the brake on. You're gonna see the gear right here. And you just press gas. Automatic, and enjoy the car. So we got the Taycan Turbo. I don't know where these lights are on. Wait, this is so fast. This is just like stupid fast. Hola. Así que bregamos con cabra y pavos. Hello guys and welcome back. So here we are again. A beautiful day. It's 2022. It's a new dog. I'm gonna show you around. A lot of things have changed. But the Testarossa is, and also there's I don't know why, but there's a turkey on the roof. Oh. Hey, boom! So we came to an issue now. The fuel pumps are not working. They activate only manually. So we're trying to find out what the electrical problem is. We found that the fuse box is burned. It has some burned parts. And I'm currently doing some research on that to see if I can repair it myself. I already took it apart, and we got the clutch and brakes working already, and we want to start the car now to just put it on the floor, just move it around to do all the other finishing touches. Yeah, but right now the issue we have is that electrical problem, and it's a little bit of a setback, but yeah, we'll still be trying to search for it. We will still be working on the car and searching for a solution for the problem. But yeah, I'll just keep on updating because this is actually happening. This is like last week. It's been a while since we didn't touch the car, so that's why I didn't do any other updates, and a lot of things happen in the here in the farm or in the place we could call this. I don't know. I hope in the upcoming weeks I'll get that electrical issue fixed. When I do, I will post a video update. And when I do, when we get that fixed, we'll just put the car on the floor. And after that, it'll be just a matter of weeks till we get the car like running.